Question 1. Almost the entire mass of an atom is concentrated in the option A protons, B electrons, C nucleus, D neutrons. And the answer is nucleus. Question 2. Which of the air pressures is appropriate for the production of cathode rays in the discharge tube? Option A 1 cm Hg, B 1 mm Hg, C 0.001 cm Hg, and D 0.01 mm Hg. And the answer is option D 0.01 mm Hg. Question 3. Electrons were discovered by option A Chadwick, B Thomson, C Goldstein, and D Bohr. And the answer is option B Thomson. Question 4. Cathode rays are deflected or attracted towards option A positive electrode, B negative electrode, C both electrodes, D none of the electrodes. The answer is option A positive electrode. Question 5. The absolute charge of an electron is option A minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs, B 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs, C 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs, D 16 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs. And the answer is option B 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulombs. Question 6. The mass of an atom is determined by number of option A neutrons, B neutrons and protons, C electrons, D electrons and neutrons. And the answer is option B neutrons and protons. Question 7. In Rutherford's alpha scattering experiment, a foil of element that was used is A gold, B silver, C aluminium, D magnesium. And the option is option A gold. Question 8. The proton is heavier than an electron by A 1850 times, B 1840 times, C 1000 times, D 100 times. The answer is option B 1840 times. Question 9. Chadwick got the Nobel Prize for the discovery of option A protons, B neutrons, C electrons, D mesons. The answer is option B neutrons. Question 10. The volume of nucleus of an atom when compared to the extranuclear part is option A bigger, B smaller, C same size, and D unpredictable. Answer is option B smaller. Question 11. The other name of hydrogen is A protium, B tritium, C deuterium, and D proton. The answer is protium. Question 12. The fixed circular paths around the nucleus are called option A orbits, B orbitals, C nucleons, D mesons. Answer is option A orbits. Question 13. Carbon 12 atom has option A 6 electrons, 6 protons, and 6 neutrons. Option B, 6 electrons, 12 protons and 6 neutrons. Option C, 12 electrons, 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Option D, 18 electrons, 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Answer is option A, 6 electrons, 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Question 14. Mass number is equal to the option A, number of protons plus number of electrons, B, number of protons plus number of neutrons, C, number of neutrons plus number of electrons, D, number of electrons. Answer is option B, number of protons plus number of neutrons. Question 15. During a chemical reaction, atomic number option A changes, B remains same, C changes and then is restored, D changes alternately. Answer is option B, remains same. Question 16. What is the energy of 1 mole of light that has a wavelength of 400 Newton meter? Option A, 4.97 into 10 raised to minus 28 joules, B, 4.97 into 10 raised to minus 19 joules, C, 2.99 into 10 raised to minus 4 joules, D, 2.99 into 10 raised to 5 joules. And the answer is option D, 2.99 into 10 raised to 5 joules. Question 17. Helium can be singly ionized by losing one electron to become the helium plus cation. Which one of the following statements is true concerning this helium cation? Option A, spectrum of this helium cation will resemble the line spectrum of a hydrogen atom. B, spectrum of this helium cation will resemble the line spectrum of lithium. C, spectrum of this helium cation will remain the same as for unionized helium. D, spectrum of this helium cation will resemble the line spectrum of lithium. And the answer is option A, spectrum of this helium cation will resemble the line spectrum of a hydrogen atom. Question 18. In which of the following figure shape of 3D orbital is best represented by means of probability area? And the answer is option D. Question 19. Which of the following series of lines is found in the UV region of atomic spectrum of hydrogen? Option A, Balmer. Option B, Paschen. Option C, Brackett. Option D, Lyman. The answer is option D, Lyman. Question 20. Which of the following electron configurations represents the electron configuration for magnesium cation Mg2+? Option A, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. B, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. C, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. D, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. The answer is option A, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Question 21. Which of the following orbital box diagrams represents silicon which has 14 electrons? And the answer is option C. Question 22. Any p orbital can accommodate up to option A 4 electrons, option B 2 electrons in parallel groups, option C 6 electrons, option D 2 electrons with opposite spins. And the answer is option C 6 electrons. Question 23. The principal quantum number of an atom is related to the option A size of the orbital, option B spin angular momentum, option C orbital angular momentum, option D orientation of the orbital in space. Answer is option A size of the orbital. Question 24. Correct set of 4 quantum numbers for the valence outermost electron of rubidium is option A 500 plus 1 by 2, B 510 plus 1 by 2, C 511 plus 1 by 2, D 600 plus 1 by 2. Answer is option A 500 plus 1 by 2. Question 25. Bohr's model can explain option A the spectrum of hydrogen atom only, B spectrum of an atom or ion containing one electron only, C the spectrum of hydrogen molecule, D the solar spectrum. Answer is option B the spectrum of an atom or ion containing one electron only. Question 26. Which of the following sets of quantum numbers NLMS represents an impossible arrangement? Option A 3, 2, minus 2, 1 by 2, B 4, 0, 0, 1 by 2, C 3, 2, minus 3, 1 by 2, D 5, 3, 0, minus 1 by 2. And the answer is option C 3, 2, minus 3 and 1 by 2. Question 27. Particles that affect material properties are option A neutrons, B protons, C electrons, D valence electrons. And the answer is option D valence electrons. Question 28. The mean distance between atoms is in the range of option A 25 nm, option B 2.5 nm, C 0.25 nm and D 0.025 nm. And the answer is option C 0.25 nm. Question 29. Compared to the charge and mass of a proton, an electron has option A the same charge and a smaller mass, B the same charge and the same mass, C an opposite charge and a smaller mass, D an opposite charge and the same mass. And the answer is option C an opposite charge and a smaller mass.